got a package from My Tacky Tees. Let's open it. So let me get this open. I've been waiting on this for a minute. I have been wanting a fleece vest for a long time, and My Tacky Tees is where I got one from. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Okay. They said thank you, and I got a coupon for the next order. Let's open this up. Look at that. Don't that look nice? Slide on down. Yes, unzip this. Let me try it on. Now, I really need to go to the thrift store and get some new pants because my pants are way too big. I hate when